Hey, it's Anthony from Flexifoil here. 34 years ago, my brother and I witnessed our dad's invention take flight. I am pictured on the right with my brother Teo, along with our dad's flying machine, aptly named the Windbag. He added a Ricoh camera and took some remarkable aerial photos, like this one. Having discovered these photos in his attic after he passed away, our Flexifoil team were inspired to design a kite which could do the same. And today I'm very happy to introduce you to the one and only Flexifoil camera kite. An absolutely brilliant piece of equipment which will bring you hours and hours worth of fun, is ideal for anyone 15 and upwards and would be a great way to get you into kite aerial photography. Now the kite arrives in its own rucksack complete with all accessories. You can use virtually any action camera or smartphone to take pictures with the kite. Our advice is to set up your camera, your kite and your stabilizer in advance at home. And an easy to understand manual is included which covers everything from setting up your kite to your camera to your stabilizer. So you carry your kite in the lightweight storage bag and everything else inside the rucksack. So once you've chosen your preferred launch spot, you take the reel out of the bag and pop that on the ground, and then you take the kite out of the lightweight storage bag and you lay the kite down on the ground, and the spreader spar that's in the back, you insert that into one pocket, you insert that into the other pocket, and then you turn the kite over. So the camera kite package comes with a stabilizer. The stabilizer keeps your camera or your smartphone straight when the kite's up in the sky. Now I've already attached my action camera to the stabilizer, so all I need to do now is attach the stabilizer to the kite. So you pick up the reel and you pass the strap over your head, and it goes under your left arm and over your right shoulder. And make sure that it feels really nice and steady. Also make sure that the lock is in the lock position. So with the kite and the gimbal all set up, all we need to do is turn the kite over, make sure that the gimbal is working properly. We'll connect the kite to the reel and we're ready to launch. You put the nose of the kite up, with the gimbal in position, we power up, a quick test, and you can see that the gimbal moves where it should do. So we'll attach the line to the kite and we're ready to fly. The kite heads up into the bright blue sky to take some amazing pictures. Whether you'd like to capture memories of your birthday, holiday, wedding, sports day, festival, or any other outdoor occasion or activity, this one's for you. Lightweight, portable, and the super simple setup will allow you to take photos within minutes. It really is just plug in and play. This one-of-a-kind kite can be flown in 8 to 20 mile-an-hour winds, and there are far fewer regulatory restrictions and permissions than that of a drone. You won't need any prior photography experience, since the user manual details how to quickly and easily set up your action camera or smartphone. Kite aerial photography is a really healthy and fun outdoor activity. You can enjoy it with friends, family, or just on your own. And remember, the aerial photographs are taken automatically, so there are no buttons to press, no screen to look at. You can simply enjoy flying your kite and look forward to seeing a treasure trove of photos saved to your action camera or smartphone. To start your kite aerial photography journey today, simply click on the button in the video or the link in the post, and very soon you could be out flying the Flexifoil camera kite yourself, capturing truly amazing photographs and literally seeing the world from a whole new angle.